Do you ever wonder where to start when that nagging feeling hits you and it says, I have got to get financially organized? Okay, let's not do this. Straighten up all the unopened bank statements and investment account reports on your desk and call that financial organization. That is just making your mess look neater. For something to be organized, it has to be ordered, structured towards some purpose, and well thought out. And to do that, you've got to know what you have, where it is, why you have it, and contact information for each separate service provider. So let's take them one at a time. First, know what you have. Begin with the major categories that most of us deal in: insurance, banking, investments, retirement, income taxes, debts, and legal documents. For simplicity's sake, you could take out a legal pad and write down each of these headings on a separate page. Then, under each heading, just write any account or policy or contract or document that you have that comes under the appropriate heading. Write down the actual account or policy number for each item. Number 2 is to know where it is. Having a list of each item is fine, but do you know where that list is? Could your spouse or loved one using that list locate your will, your life insurance policies, your tax returns from last year? Now, I suggest either a filing cabinet or a simple file box where you keep all your important documents. Even better, use a document scanner and keep an electronic copy as well. And the third thing is to know why you have it. Assume that you're not available to answer any questions. Your surviving spouse or children or loved ones are looking at your list of financial accounts and documents, and eventually someone's going to ask the question, why did mom have this? Or why did my wife handle this in such and such a fashion? Actually, you need to be asking yourself that question before something happens to you. Why do you have the insurance that you have now? Why are the wills that you have drafted? Or why don't you have any wills that are drafted? The ones that you did when the kids were in kindergarten may not still be appropriate. Do my wills and my life insurance policies say the same thing, or are they somehow in conflict? On any matter in which there might be some question, why not just write a quick note and place it with the appropriate document? Tell your loved ones what you had in mind. There'll come a day when they'll deeply appreciate it. And then the fourth item is to know whom to contact. Despite their best efforts, attorneys get old and die. Life insurance companies change their names, investment houses change hands, and CPAs retire. Is the contact information for your legal, tax, insurance, and financial relationships up to date and current? After finding your life insurance policies, would your survivors have to search high and low to find the company, or are you going to make matters easy on them by leaving them the name and the phone number of a current agent for that company? Get financially organized. You're doing yourself and those you love a big, big favor. Offering you wisdom on wealth, I'm Byron Moore.